Ooh.
Bye bye.
Ooh.
Timing that shit, I'll punish you. I'm sorry.
Ooh.
I'm down.
Oh, I'm down there! Sorry, Sassy.
Oh boy. Oh my god.
Ah, I tried to side B, fuck.
Ooh.
Oh my god.
Oh boy.
Oh.
No!
What the
Oh my
fuck?
god.
No! I'm alive! I'm alive! Shit! I thought I died. That was a weird interaction.
Let's deal with this evil monster here first.
Oh, I didn't see the strong difference. Okay.
Ooh. Okay. Misinterpreted.
Oh,
Huh?
Oh, my first parry in like a year or something. Ah!
In my
Indian lag.
legs. Even Fox has good legs. Like if you like the thin variety, just saying. That
that
almost-
sucked you in from on top of the stage, dude.
I'm not dead, am I?
I am dead though.
Somebody's dead.
That was weird.
That was an interesting interaction.
I'm dead.
Ah! That was very scary.
I'm out of there.
Ooh, he caught me.
Oh, let's go! Oh my god, those fucking throws.
Where did Maddie still at 2 legs?
I see.
Oh my god!
Oh my goodness.
I didn't expect that to kill both of you.
Oh, that violence. Oh, side
Don't lag!
Maddie
Don't
literally
lag.
sidestepped your smash attack.
Ah shit, that might not be good. That might not be good again.
Ooh.
Man,
The idea was correct, the execution was just a bit off. Ooh.
I was not prepared for that! I was totally not prepared for that!
oh my god.